Well, good morning. Ready to set out here on day 29. So, yeah, yesterday I had some mishaps. I ripped my stuff sack for my tent, so now I'm running stuff sackless with my tent. So that's gonna be fun. I can live without it though. I mean, it still fits in my pack. It's not a big deal. Yeah, and today is going to be a nice cruisy day, hopefully. So far, the Mazatzals have very, very good track, and it's been very comfortable to walk on. So I think we'll have a nice day. We don't have too big an objective either. No water carries pushing us to some ridiculous number of miles. So yeah, we should be able to knock off this day and then get ready for a nice cruise into Pine soon. So see you on trail.
When you see the road from every direction, it will give you eyes, give you hope. It'll
Bear
give you
Spring,
perspective.
a deep dark pool of water.
Back and forth, and yeah, I had my crashes. Now I've seen the road, it goes every direction.
So yesterday, I interviewed one of the two individuals who somehow haven't driven me away with sticks yet. And today we are going to meet another of the cadre that is going to Utah. Introduce yourself.
My name is Take Charge. I'm the other half of Cheers. And we've been hiking for a long time.
Indeed. So I already know about the PCT stuff. So where are you guys from anyways?
Well, we're from Michigan, moved there about 32, 33 years ago, but we met at the Arizona State in Arizona.
And I understand you guys like doing a lot of outdoor stuff. Like, what else do you do besides hike?
We also go canoe tripping up in Canada a lot because we love Canadian Shield canoe tripping.
That's how they can stand being with me.
Pretty much. We're used to Canadians. Yeah, canoe tripping is one of our big hobbies, and backpacking.
Yeah. So these are the people that I'm hanging out with. They're pretty cool, many skills, and somehow we get along. So we're going to keep on going to Utah together.
Yes.
See ya.
See ya.
Most of the days, the trail's been, most of this day, the trail has been beautiful. Now we're just about to get to our next water source. And these are the worst rocks I have seen on a trail since we got into the Mazatzals. Whew. Talk about ankle twisters. Oh. Now this was a very hospitable water source, and it was not on the list. Hardly any algae, series of pools, we washed our feet, we got drinking water, not from the same pool, and now we can move on. Man's doing a little foot doctoring, looking sharp.
There are stories to tell, the times we grew and the times we fell. Oh, I've been afraid some days, but the road will lead us to a better place. Road will lead us to a better place. Stories to tell, times we grew and the times we fell. Ooh, I've been afraid some days, and the road will lead us to a better place. Oh, there are stories to tell, the times we grew and the times we fell. Oh, I've been afraid some days, but the road will lead us to a better place. Road will lead us to a better place. Hey, yeah. To a better place.
Hoo-wee. That is some view. Yeah. Good evening. Well, we made it to a camp at a place called The Park. I guess it kind of looks like a park. Lots of trees. It's good stuff. And yeah, we finished dinner and put away everything. And so yeah, now it's just about bedtime. I'm doing some video editing, but I thought I would do a quick end of day video with you here. It was a pretty good day. Trail got a little rocky for a stretch. Met a couple of new hikers. So that was interesting to meet a few new people and hear their stories, and that was good. Yeah, so we are down to our second last day in the Mazatzals. We have one more full day tomorrow, and then we exit to Pine, where we get a much-deserved zero. Very much looking forward to that. And yeah, no, the day was pretty good. Enjoyable. I'm tired. And my compatriots have already taken to their mattresses. So that's what we do. Eat, sleep, and walk.